Hi, this is David with YourPST Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to change the default program for opening a file the easy way. Let's get started. So, the first thing I'm going to do is go over to a file type that I want to change, and this file is a PNG file. So, if I open it normally, it opens up in the Windows File Viewer or Photo Viewer, and it is just a photo of this folder without the file in it. So I might want to open that in Paint. I can right click and go to edit with Paint 3D, or if I want to make sure it always opens in Paint, I can right click on it, go down to open with, and then click Paint. And it will open in Paint. Now, if you notice, when I click it again, it doesn't do it automatically, but if you go back to open with, and you go to choose another app, it will show you all the possible apps that you can open this with. You can also click more apps and see what else you can open it with, or you can look for another app and find a program that you do want to open it with. In this case, I want to always open it with Paint. So I'm going to always use this app to open PNG files, and I'm going to click OK. Now, as you can see, it opened in Paint, and when I open it again, it keeps opening in Paint. And if I wanted to set it back, I can go back to open with and choose another app, and then I can go back to photos, go to always use this app to open PNG files, click it again, and it will open with the photo viewer. That's it. Hope that helps. If this taught you anything, hit the like button, subscribe, share this video with others, and check back for more awesome content. Thank you.